Ask Nave, ask Nave, ask Nave.com. If you have a legal question, ask Nave, ask Nave, ask Nave.com.
Many individuals try to go through the process of clearing their record so that they can purchase firearms, either by getting a certificate of relief or a certificate of good conduct through the state process. However, in order to purchase your firearm in New York, you have to undergo a federal background check, totally unrelated to your state database record. Because of that, your certificate of relief or of good conduct may not accurately be reflected in the federal database when you try to purchase a firearm. If you believe this is your situation, consulting with an attorney to correct anything on your record may be your best option going forward.